Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this Visora AI review. I'm not sure if this is Visora AI or Visora AI, so be it. Now we have a limited information because right now the sales page is coming soon, so there's no sales page as of now, and demo video is also coming soon. So they are late, not me. I am on time. So this is launching on 5th of June. Okay, so I am going to do the review with what information I have in my hands. And I have enough information to do the review, by the way, so chill out. And by the time it will be live, you will have the link below my YouTube video. Okay, so below my YouTube video, it will be saying grab Visora AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the live sales page when this is live on 5th of June. Okay, so after that, you will have another link which says check out all my Warrior Plus products. You can click here and you can check my Warrior Plus products as well, because this review to profit AI might help you as well along with this Visora, because I'm going to tell you what it does. This Visora AI, it helps you to optimize your YouTube videos so that they can be recommended by AI. AI means sometimes what happens when people search something inside ChatGPT, inside Cloud, inside this Google search, inside Grok, the YouTube videos get recommended by the ChatGPT itself. So imagine if your videos get recommended by ChatGPT or other softwares which people use. So your video will get viral, okay? So that is what this Visora AI is claiming to do. And we will see some glimpses of the dashboard, how it will do it, the campaigns and everything, okay? So bear with me. And at the same time, when we're talking about making YouTube videos, then you will be able to go ahead and generate YouTube video script as well. For example, I have shown you that if you click on check out all my Warrior Plus products, when you go there, you will see the software called Review to Profit AI. That's my software. And this Review to Profit AI will generate 6 things for you. It will generate 2000 word articles for any offer. You just type in your whatever link or sales page you have. You type in that paste your sales page here. You type in the product name, you type in the keywords or the benefit, what does the product do, and choose one of these from the drop down and click on campaign, and it will generate that YouTube script. Because if you don't know what to say in the YouTube videos, it will generate the script which you can get from the AI, and then you can make a video on that. Okay, not just that, it generates 3 sections. One will be YouTube script, then will be that will be what do you call this, article for your website, and there will be social media promos, it will be email promos, it will be bonus page content, it will be AI visual graphics and everything. Okay, so I have a separate video on Review to Profit AI on my channel. You can go ahead and watch the review on this one, or you can click here and visit the sales page. Anyway, so let's close it. So go and check out these links, but the first link will be saying grab Visora AI copy here. So click on that link, come to the sales page when the product is live, and let's focus on Visora AI now. So the new AI discovery shifts most YouTube creators haven't even noticed yet. Creators are actively paying $300 to $1,000 per month to get their YouTube videos discovered inside. I already have explained this to you. Okay, I have done the explaining what the concept is behind this Visora AI. Is that so that your videos can rank inside ChatGPT search or Gemini search or Cloud search or Grok search. I already have done the explaining to you. Okay, so let me show you. This is how the dashboard will look like, right? And I will just show you 1, 2, 3 steps. This is again here, you can see some glimpses, okay? But the main thing is coming on your screen right here. There you go. So what is the step number 1? This is your step number 1 inside the dashboard. You type in your YouTube video URL, okay? So it will analyze your video description, meta tags, SEO performance of your video, okay? Based on that, it's going to give the score and suggest improvements. And after analyzing, the step 2 is to apply those improvements, as you can see here, right? Quick step number 2 is quick optimization and improve your AEO score. AEO means, I guess, AI, something like that. Okay, so SEO and AEO these days, God knows where will we stop now. Future is here, right there. So once the software optimizes everything, it increases your score of the video after changing the tags and everything, whatever has to be done, and then your video comes above 90 90 score. Okay, and then the step number 3 is export and profit. So once it suggests all the optimization and it makes all the changes into your video description of your YouTube video, all you have to do is export that video, download it, and then upload that video on your YouTube channel. And then the chances of getting that video suggested by AI or inside AI, Chat GPT, etc., becomes higher. It's not guaranteed that every video will rank in your Chat GPT or other AI, you know that, right? But the chances becomes higher because the software Visora AI will optimize it accordingly. Okay, so that's, I think, in a nutshell, this is what it is. Again, the sales page is not live yet, the demo video is not live yet, but people like me don't even need all this because I already have done the explaining better than anybody else. Okay, so again, in a nutshell, the Visora AI will analyze your YouTube video. Then it will optimize to increase the score above 90. Once you think your score is above 90 and you're happy with the optimization, with the changes, then you copy all the changes and you just go and export the video and upload on your YouTube channel, and then see how your video performs. Okay, so now let's talk about the OTOs right here. So this will cost you to start with $17. In $17, obviously you will have limitations. Everything will not be unlimited. So you'll have to go and take a look into the OTOs. OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on their relevant sales pages of the OTOs, you will get to know what exactly are you buying, what exactly you will be paying for. Okay, but you might have to go and buy 1 or 2 OTOs as well to get the full function, full features of this software. Okay, overall, this looks very colorful to me. I like it, and As I have shown you, the sales page demo video is not out yet, but there is one thing I can give you, the $2 off. Okay, so use the coupon code Visora2 to get $2 off on entire funnel. Okay, make sure you buy the front end and relevant OTOs, and you will find the link below my YouTube video. Click on that, grab your copy, and as I discussed in the beginning, you will get those 3 bonuses from me as well. And if you do not know what to, how to make YouTube videos, or what to say in my videos, you can go and get this Review to Profit AI. This is also launching on 5th of June. It's not live yet. Okay, Review to Profit AI is coming on 5th of June as well, along with Visora AI. So we are both clashing with each other, but you can go and get it. And I guess that's all about it. So from my end, I think it looks a good software to me. It will help you with YouTube optimization so that you can be up to date with the AI version. Okay, so go and grab your copy and buy from a link, get your bonuses. And now let's go ahead and talk about how do I make my money using my methods below the video. So watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online, and below the video you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro, so if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number 1, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, so second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers, or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos. Nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month recurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click this swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss shacking bonus we discussed, because kiss shacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss shacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.